Working with a 12-inch shaft and 3 inches hanging out, I have indicated, faced, and turned a true diameter. I have also used a center drill to create a center drill hole for my live center. Once I am done with my first operation, I will extend the workpiece, gripping on to roughly 3/8 of an inch. I tighten the jaws to secure the workpiece, and then I verify the length of hangout based on the print in my machining plan. Using a mag base and a 1-inch travel indicator, I will begin indicating the workpiece by the jaws. Reading the indicator, I will be tightening and loosening the jaws that are 180 degrees from each other. I will continue this process until my entire work run out is within 5 thousandths. Next, I will move the mag base and the indicator to my turned true diameter. I will use my dead blow hammer to tap on any high spots. This will continue until I get a reading within 5 thousandths. I then go back to indicating by the jaws, since tapping the end of the shaft most likely moved the workpiece. Once I verify a good indication, I switch to a test indicator. I move the indicator to the end of the shaft, begin tapping using an aluminum block and my dead blow hammer to maintain an accurate strike. When satisfied, I move back to the jaws to indicate using the test indicator. Like earlier, I will tighten and loosen accordingly. When I am finished indicating by the jaws, I will move back to the end of the shaft and adjust the true diameter runout. Lastly, I will check the face of the workpiece to verify that it is running square.